Did you know Egypt uncovered an entire golden city buried under sand, untouched for 3,000 years? From hidden tombs to ancient brain surgery, here are the most mind-blowing Egyptian discoveries of the last 10 years. Archaeologists found a city near Luxor built by Pharaoh Amenhotep III. Streets, pottery, homes, all frozen in time. It's one of the biggest finds since Tutankhamun's tomb. Over 250 sealed coffins and mummies were discovered, some still wearing golden masks, even a mummy with a golden tongue. Tutankhamun's family tree was decoded using modern tech. US scientists helped confirm genetic disorders and his royal lineage. Found in Abydos, 8 huge vats used for royal ceremonies, proving Egypt wasn't just about pyramids, they partied too. With 3-dimensional scanning, scientists found a mysterious void inside the Great Pyramid. Purpose, still unknown. A 3,000-year-old skull shows signs of cranial surgery. Ancient Egyptians may have performed early neurosurgery. These discoveries aren't just ancient. They're changing how we understand medicine, technology, and even modern life. Hit that like button if you learned something new.